Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the logistics industry, making it a key player in supply chain management. AI is enabling companies to improve their operations, optimize costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. In this article, we will explore how AI is being used in logistics and provide 10 examples of its applications. 1. Demand forecasting. AI algorithms can analyze historical sales data, weather forecast, and other relevant factors to predict demand for goods or services. This helps logistics companies plan their inventory levels and allocate resources efficiently. 2. Route optimization. By leveraging AI algorithms, logistics companies can optimize their delivery routes to minimize travel time and fuel costs. This results in faster deliveries and reduced expenses. 3. Predictive maintenance. Using AI-enabled sensors and machine learning algorithms, logistics companies can predict when equipment is likely to fail so that they can perform maintenance before a breakdown occurs. This reduces downtime and repair costs. 4. Real-time tracking. IoT sensors combined with AI algorithms enable logistics companies to track goods in real time across the entire supply chain. This provides customers with greater visibility over their orders while improving delivery accuracy. 5. Risk management. AI systems can analyze data on past accidents and incidents to identify patterns that may lead to future risks such as thefts or accidents during transit. This allows logistics firms to take proactive measures to prevent such incidents from happening. 6. Chatbots. Logistics companies are increasingly adopting chatbots that use natural language processing, NLP, technology for customer service inquiries. Chatbots are available 24/7, providing customers with immediate assistance while allowing staff members more time for complex tasks. 7. Dynamic pricing. AI-driven dynamic pricing enables logistics firms to price products based on real-time market demand, inventory levels, shipping costs, weather conditions, among other factors, thus improving revenue management. 8. Warehouse automation. Robotic process automation, RPA, driven by AI, can automate repetitive tasks such as picking and packing, thereby reducing human error and increasing efficiency in warehouse operations. 9. Quality control. AI algorithms and machine vision systems can be used to detect defects in products during the manufacturing process or while they're being transported across the supply chain. This ensures that only high-quality products are delivered to customers. 10. Natural disaster response. AI is being used to predict and respond to natural disasters such as hurricanes and earthquakes. Logistics companies can use predictive analytics to reroute shipments, make necessary adjustments, and minimize disruptions. Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly popular in the logistics industry. It has revolutionized the way logistics operations are being conducted by helping businesses streamline their supply chain management, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of AI in logistics with 10 examples. 1. Optimization of transportation route. AI algorithms can analyze data on traffic patterns, weather conditions, and other factors to optimize transportation routes. This reduces travel time and fuel consumption, resulting in cost savings for logistics companies. 2. Warehouse management. AI-powered warehouse management systems can automate many tasks, including inventory tracking and order fulfillment. This reduces the need for manual intervention, resulting in shorter lead times and improved accuracy. 3. Predictive maintenance. AI algorithms can predict when equipment is likely to fail based on data from sensors and other sources. This enables maintenance teams to schedule repairs before a breakdown occurs, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. 4. Demand forecasting. AI algorithms can analyze historical sales data to predict future demand accurately. This allows logistics companies to adjust their inventory levels accordingly and avoid stockouts or oversupply. 5. Real-time tracking. IoT sensors and GPS devices can track inventory, vehicles, and personnel in real time using AI-powered analytics tools. This enables logistics companies to monitor their operations closely and respond quickly to any issues that arise. 6. Automated order processing. AI-powered systems can process orders automatically by extracting relevant information from emails or web forms. This reduces the need for manual data entry, resulting in faster order processing times. 7. Customized delivery options. AI-powered logistics platforms can analyze customer data to offer personalized delivery options such as same-day or next-day delivery at a specific time slot. This improves customer satisfaction and loyalty. 8. Risk management. AI algorithms can analyze supply chain risks such as natural disasters or geopolitical events that could impact operations negatively. This allows logistics companies to take proactive measures to minimize the impact of these risks. 9. Predictive analytics. AI-powered analytics tools can analyze large datasets to identify patterns and insights that can help logistics companies make better decisions. This includes predicting demand, identifying bottlenecks in the supply chain, or optimizing inventory levels. 10. Autonomous vehicles. AI-powered autonomous vehicles are becoming more common in the logistics industry. These vehicles can reduce human error and improve safety while also reducing costs by eliminating the need for a driver. Firstly, one of the biggest risks of AI in logistics is cyber threats. With AI being used to automate processes and store large amounts of data, these systems can become vulnerable to cyber attacks. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in AI algorithms and gain access to sensitive data, leading to reputational damage and financial losses for companies. Another risk is a loss of jobs. With the automation that comes with AI in logistics, there is a potential risk that many jobs could be lost as machines replace manual labor. This could lead to significant changes within the industry's workforce structure, potentially resulting in a loss of skilled workers and economic inequalities. Furthermore, there is also a risk associated with decision-making processes. Machine learning algorithms are designed to learn from historical data in order to make predictions about future outcomes. However, if the data being used is biased or inaccurate, then these predictions will also be flawed. This could lead to incorrect decisions being made by companies based on unreliable information. In addition, AI systems may not always function as intended due to unforeseen scenarios or errors in programming. This could lead to unforeseen consequences such as system failures or incorrect processing of orders, resulting in costly delays for businesses and their customers. Another potential risk related to AI in logistics is loss of privacy. With the vast amount of data collected by AI systems on customer behavior and preferences, it is possible that sensitive information like personal contact detail or payment information could be breached by cyber criminals, leading to identity theft or fraud. Finally, there are also regulatory risks associated with using AI in logistics. As there are few international standards governing how these systems should operate, or how data should be protected, different countries may well have varying degrees of regulation, causing confusion and making it difficult for companies to comply with many different sets of rules. Now let's discuss the salary range for AI professionals in logistics. The average salary for an AI professional in logistics varies depending on factors such as job role, experience level, location, company size, and industry specialization. According to payscale.com, the average salary for an AI specialist in logistics is $96,000 per annum. Entry-level positions such as junior data scientists earn an average of $77,000 per annum, while mid-level positions such as senior data scientists earn an average of $125,000 per annum. However, these figures can vary depending on the experience level of the individual. Location also plays a significant role in determining salaries for AI professionals in logistics. Cities such as San Francisco and New York have a higher cost of living, hence higher salaries compared to other cities. For example, an entry-level junior data scientist working in San Francisco earns an average of $100,000 per annum, while someone working in Dallas, Texas earns approximately $75,000 per annum. The size of a company also influences salaries within the industry. Larger companies tend to pay more compared to smaller ones because they have a larger budget allocated towards hiring top talent. According to Glassdoor.com, Amazon pays its machine learning engineers an average salary of $154,000 per annum, while UPS pays its data scientists an average salary of $95,000 per annum. Industry specialization is another factor that affects salaries for AI professionals in logistics. Those who specialize in e-commerce logistics earn a higher salary compared to those working in traditional logistics. This is because e-commerce companies require more sophisticated and advanced technologies to manage their operations. Experience level is perhaps the most significant determinant of salaries for AI professionals in logistics. Entry-level positions such as junior data scientists usually have 1 to 3 years of experience, while senior data scientists have 5 or more years of experience. As stated earlier, the average salary for junior data scientists is $77,000 per annum, while senior data scientists earn an average of $125,000 per annum.